well. So let's check back in with Eric. Eric?
Very busy times indeed here. We can't get a quiet fall stretch. You go 3 or 4 days with sunshine, that'd be a lot to ask for, but in fact there are none such stretches in sight for us here in southern New England. So busy times go on, but it could be worse. It could be the Florida Panhandle. What a bad day there as this storm was intensifying right up into the moment of landfall. Its peak intensity of its entire life was right as it was moving ashore near Panama City, Florida. And this one won for the record books. It is the strongest October hurricane to ever make landfall in the United States, the third lowest pressure of any hurricane to make landfall in the United States, and the strongest hurricane of record to ever strike the Florida Panhandle. And here's a look at kind of the list that we're talking about here when it comes to pressure. And pressure matters because as it goes lower, there's a direct relationship to wind speed. When you have very low pressures, you have very intense winds near the eye. And you're talking Labor Day in 1935 in the Keys, Camille, Katrina, Andrew. I mean, Michael is in the middle of that list, and those are all infamous, destructive hurricanes. Its center is now into southwestern Georgia, moving pretty quickly. It is now the strongest hurricane to hit Georgia in 120 years, and it will race across the Carolinas and then offshore of Nantucket on Friday very quickly, but some of that tropical moisture will get tied in and bring us some rain. Have to talk about today's weather. Of course, highs were way up into the 80s. We now have seen the second most 80-degree days on record in Boston, 79 of them this year. Be tough to get to that #1 spot at this late in the season. And if you look at average temp, today was the 5th warmest October day ever recorded in Boston. It will stay warm tonight. Clouds will be on the increase. Temperatures will drop into the 60s. And then tomorrow, this is a look at the timing. There'll be a front right near the Merrimack Valley in the morning. So across southern New Hampshire and Essex County, it could be in the 50s, I think, here for a good part of the first half of the day. It'll be very mild from the Boston area south and west, where we'll jump up into the 70s. And then the rain will start to increase as we head into the afternoon and the evening. And since it's a very tropical atmosphere, when it rains, it will absolutely pour. So right now, I think the heaviest rainfall late afternoon, evening, and into the overnight. And then as Michael passes just offshore on Friday, we'll see a band of heavy rainfall set up Friday morning across far southeastern Massachusetts. So our biggest totals will likely be across Cape Cod and in particular on Nantucket. Once we hit midday on Friday, that rain will be moving offshore. The drier air will start pouring in from the west. We'll clear out during the afternoon. It'll become cool and quite breezy during the second half of the day. Rain totals, well, most of us get 1 to 3 inches of total rainfall. There's the potential of 3 to 6 across Cape Cod and the islands, again, especially on Nantucket. And your heaviest rain would be on Friday morning. So Friday morning, a chance for flash flooding there. And a flash flood watch is out through Friday morning across the area. The winds will be interesting, gusty out of the south tomorrow in southeastern Massachusetts. But when it comes to Michael coming close by, its strongest winds will be on the eastern flank. That's way out to sea. But we will see the winds really pick up during the day out of the northwest. So it's an offshore wind that'll gust over 30 miles per hour at times on Friday. And the strongest wind gusts perhaps could reach as high as 50 miles per hour outer Cape Cod and Nantucket. The seas will build to 7 to 11 feet. Once it heads offshore, huge changes. The dew points will drop, and take a look at the 7-day forecast. Saturday, we're talking low 50s, mostly cloudy and a couple of rain showers. 50s on Sunday with a chance of morning frost. And then on Tuesday, we'll see what side of a wave of low pressure we end up on. But right now, it looks like a cold rain. David and Lisa, back to you.
Ooh, cold rain. That sounds fantastic.
Yeah.